In the last few days, we have way too many people that previously haven't been positive when it comes to cryptocurrency admitting that they either fear cryptocurrency or that they've been wrong. In the latest one, AMD admits the GPU business could take hit if crypto miners stop buying. And they are damn right, because let's be honest with each other. Gamers, yes, there are lots of them, including myself. I do like playing games sometimes, but you only need one GPU. And it's not that many out there that they can really buy all the GPUs that AMD and Nvidia can produce. But miners, we buy lots of them. So let's see what AMD has to say. A drop in demand for graphic card GPUs by the world's cryptocurrency miners could materially impact AMD chips business, the company disclosed this week. In its most recent 10K annual filing, AMD, one of several firms to ride a recent wave of demand for GPUs which are needed for energy-intensive mining process, highlighted now that the rise of cryptocurrency price and the introduction of new cryptocurrencies created demand for our GPUs in 2017. Without a doubt, 2017 was big when it comes to cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining, but I believe this will continue. While the company offered no specific figures, the disclosure published on February 27 is in line with the past predictions from AMD, which suggested near the end of 2007 that its GPU business was getting lift thanks to crypto miners. I guess Nvidia gonna have to check their numbers as well, because last time they said GPU mining, it's not big portions of the Nvidia card sales. I bet that was an understatement. That state of play might not last forever, however. In the 10K, AMD indicates that several factors could change the environment on the GPU front, highlighting market and regulatory risk that could lead to a decline in the number of GPUs being brought by cryptocurrency miners. The firm wrote, the cryptocurrency market is unstable and demand could change quickly. For example, China and South Korea have recently instituted restriction on cryptocurrency trading. If we are unable to manage the risk related to a decrease in the demand for cryptocurrency mining, our GPU business could be materially adversely affected. The predictions that volatility could alter the pace of demand is shared by others in the space, including rival GPU maker Nvidia. During an earnings call in early February, Colin Kress, Nvidia chief financial officer, said it was hard to quantify how much of its GPU revenue came from cryptocurrency miners, exactly what I mentioned a moment ago. But I guess lots of it did came from the GPU miners. I mean, let's be honest, a gamer would buy one GPU, two GPU at most. A miner could buy hundreds of GPUs. Adding that the cryptocurrency trends are likely to remain volatile. Now, one thing I'm also gonna have to say is that maybe it's time for AMD and Nvidia to, one, address the prices once and for all, two, allowed people, especially miners, to buy more than one GPUs pretty much in many places, because there are currently restrictions. In some website that I've looked up, you can only buy one AMD. Obviously you can buy different models from different companies, but you can only buy one, let's say Sapphire RX 580 or one Nvidia GPU, which is ridiculous. They need to address these issues as well. So prices, allowance, let's say, as well as maybe it's time for them to start producing a little bit more, because there is definitely a demand, in my opinion, but there are no GPUs out there. Still, the inclusion of its most recent filing serves to highlight how AMD is among a growing list of companies, primarily financial institutions, to acknowledge the impact that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology will have on their bottom lines. I'm wondering what the investors in AMD and Nvidia are telling them right now. I guess they're pretty much a bit stressed. No investor would like to see the bottom lines drop. That is for sure. So if they can address the things I've just mentioned, I think we will continue buying GPUs. Mining is here to stay. Definitely due to the fact that the price of cryptocurrency has dropped a little bit. It is having an impact, but one of the biggest impact is without a doubt the prices of those GPUs, as well as the fact that you can't even buy them, you can't find them. When you find them, you're limited, or the prices is way too high. But it's nice to see that AMD it's actually addressing the situation and in a way admitting that their business could suffer when it comes to GPUs if miners pretty much stops buying them. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Link will be down below to the article. As always, feel free to subscribe and share. Come follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.